Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for SIGA. The report was first published on our website Friday, July 22, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell SIGA? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 22, 2022, our system ranks the SIGA stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -4.306. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for SIGA, our last headline reads, high volatility in SIGA stock price on Friday, which ended trading at $12.16. The SIGA stock price fell by -14.25% on the last day, Friday, July 22, 2022, from $14.18 to $12.16, and has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the day, the stock fluctuated 22.14% from a day low at $11.52 to a day high of $14.07. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a -4.18% loss for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 4 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 8 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $103.17 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $15.79, and the lowest price was $5.84. Right now the price is 22.99%, or $3.63, below 52-week high at $15.79, which also is all-time high for the stock. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 99.16% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 99.16% and 155.44%. The 12-month trend indicates a 43.33% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -10.56% and 77.4%. This equals a price between $10.88 and $21.57 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, SIGA stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the SIGA stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for SIGA. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The SIGA stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $13.87 and $12.27. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, July 15, 2022, and so far it has fallen -18.72%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 44 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 54 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 58 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 56 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for SIGA. SIGA finds support from accumulated volume at $11.62, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.55 between high and low, or 22.14%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 11.8%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for SIGA. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. SIGA currently has a price-earning ratio of 15.41. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Next upcoming earnings report for Q2 2022 is expected to be released August 04, 2022. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, SIGA meets first resistance at $12.19. If you do not hold SIGA shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, SIGA finds first level of support at $11.62, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for SIGA is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On June 14, 2022, PlanSky Michael C. made an inside buy of 14,620 of restricted stock units. On June 14, 2022, PlanSky Michael C. made an inside buy of 22,831 of restricted stock units. On June 14, 2022, PlanSky Michael C. made an inside sell of 6,849 of common stock, par value $0.0001 per share. On June 14, 2022, PlanSky Michael C. made an inside buy of 22,831 of common stock, par value $0.0001 per share. On June 14, 2022, Nemirovsky Julian made an inside buy of 14,620 of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 55.891. In total, the insiders bought 1,271,572 and sold 498,806 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is SIGA stock a buy? The SIGA stock holds several negative signals, and despite the positive trend, we believe SIGA will perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 25th, we expect SIGA to open up 42 cents and start trading at $12.58. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.